be showing you one of my favorite flexibility gymnastics skills, and I'm going to give you some tips of how to do it at home. But do not try this at home if you do not know how to do like any gymnastic things. I'm not trying to be rude, it's just for your safety. So we're going to get started. So what we're going to be doing first is mountain climbers. If you don't know what mountain climbers is, we're just going to be like this in a push-up position and move our legs up like this, like this. It's kind of like you're running. So, but people like to go mountain climbers, so that's what it's going to be, mountain climbers. So we're going to do 15 of mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. That was a lot. Now we're going to sit out, point our toes like this. Point it flat, like out. Just reach as far as you can. Go down as far as you can. This is as far as I can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now the next one is middle split. So if you know how to go all the way down in the middle split, you can do this. Reach to the side, all the way down. Then to the other side. Reach to the side, all the way down. Now, if you don't know how to go all the way into a middle split, just do this and reach all the way to the other side. Do it to the other side. Reach all the way to the other side. Like that. That's what we do. Next, what we're gonna do is, let's see. Oh, okay. This is what we're gonna do. So we're basically just going to be in a push-up position and do push-ups. No, I'm just joking. We're not doing that. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do is be like this. My elbows are gonna go to the floor. We're gonna hold it 5 seconds. Do not lay down like this. Just lay down or whatever. Make sure your body is up from the floor. Okay. Gonna hold this for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.